Jah, the sun is going down, the ocean is glowing gold, and tonight me feel something special, a love so beautiful, a love so true, under the island sky. Remember the day when I first saw your face, standing by the ocean in a beautiful place. The island breeze was calling your name, and after that moment nothing felt the same. Your smile was shining like the morning light, bringing peace to my heart every night. The waves were dancing along the shore, and me knew me couldn't ask for more. Barefoot walking on the golden sand, feeling the warmth of your gentle hand. The sunset painted colors so bright, while our hearts connected under the light. Every sunset tells our story, every star reminds me why. Jah bless me with your love beneath the silent sky. Sunset love beneath the island sky, where our hearts and dreams can fly, holding you close as the ocean waves roll. Your love brings peace to my soul. Sunset love beneath the island sky, a beautiful feeling money can't buy. Forever dancing, forever free, just you and me by the Caribbean Sea. Oh girl, stay with me tonight, under the island sky. Hey. Oh, the reggae rhythm plays so slow, like the gentle tide that comes and goes. The palm trees sway with the evening breeze, and your love brings my heart to peace. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold, your loving heart is worth more than all. Every moment that we spend with you feels like a dream coming true. When the rain falls and the clouds appear, I'll be beside you, always near. Through every season, through every day, I'll never let your love fade away. Sunset love beneath the island sky, watching the colors slowly fly. Your hand in mine, your heart with me, this is where we want to be. Sunset love beneath the island sky, a forever love that will never die. The ocean knows the truth we share, a love so strong and always there. Oh girl, some places are beautiful, but some people make a place feel like home. And when we look into your eyes, we see my paradise. I knew exactly what me needed. Years may pass and the tides may change, but true love will still remain. We'll watch the sunset when we're old, still holding hands, still feeling gold. We'll laugh about the days gone by, underneath the same beautiful sky. Every memory we create will remind us love was worth the wait. No matter where this journey goes, my heart will always choose you close. From the first sunset to the final day, my love for you will never fade away. Sunset love beneath the island sky, forever you and I, with the ocean singing our melody. We'll love through eternity. Sunset love beneath the island sky, a blessing shining from above high. The palm trees, waves and stars will see our love was always meant to be. Oh yeah, forever together, under the island sky. Yeah man, the sun will set, the moon will rise, but one thing will always remain: this love, this feeling, this beautiful memory. Sunset love beneath the island sky. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, listen to the waves tonight. The ocean is singing a love song. Some things in life come and go, but true love keeps flowing like the ocean tide. Remember the day you came my way, like sunshine breaking through the gray. Your gentle smile and loving eyes made my heart feel alive. The ocean breeze was blowing slow while our love began to grow. Two hearts meeting by the sea, creating our own melody. We never knew love could feel so deep. A treasure my heart was meant to keep. Every moment I spend with you feels like a dream coming true. Like the waves that touch the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Through every season, through every tide, I'll always be right by your side. Your love flows like the ocean tide, always moving, always by my side. A love so pure, a love so true. My heart keeps flowing back to you. Your love flows like the ocean tide, a beautiful journey we cannot hide. Under the moon and island sky, forever you and I. Oh girl, your love carries me away. The palm trees dance when you walk near. Your voice is the sweetest sound we hear. The reggae rhythm fills the air, because your love is everywhere. Me don't need riches, me don't need fame. All me need is you calling my name. Your heart is the place where me find peace, a love that brings my worries release. When storms come and the waters rise, I still see love inside your eyes. No wave too strong, no night too long. Together we keep moving on. Your love flows like the ocean tide, a forever feeling I cannot deny. Every heartbeat, every breath I take shows me the love we chose to make. Your love flows like the ocean tide. With you me feel satisfied. The sea may change, the seasons may turn, but this love will forever burn. Oh Jah, the ocean never stops moving, the stars never stop shining, and my love for you will never stop growing, just like the endless tide. Ooh. Oh. Years may pass like the waves on the sea, but your love will remain with me. We'll watch the sunset hand in hand, walking together across the sand. We remember the days we shared, the little moments showing we care. Every laugh and every smile made this journey all worthwhile. From island mornings to moonlit nights, you are my heart, my guiding light. Wherever this life may take us through, my love will always flow to you. Your love flows like the ocean tide, forever keeping me alive. With God's blessing from above, we'll sail this ocean of love. Your love flows like the ocean tide, forever with you. Oh Jah, the island breeze is calling. The flowers are dancing in the morning light. Every garden needs sunshine, every heart needs love, and my heart blooms for you. Me remember the first time you came my way, like a beautiful flower on a sunny day. Your smile brought colors into my life, turning darkness into paradise. The palm trees whisper when you walk by, like a blessing falling from the sky. The ocean waves sing a melody, a sweet love song for you and me. Me never knew a heart could grow with so much love that it could show. But since the day you came around, a garden of happiness was found. Like flowers reaching for the sun, our love grows stronger as one. Every petal tells our story true, every bloom reminds me of you. Tropical flowers bloom for you, under sky so bright and blue. Every color, every shade shows the beautiful love we made. Tropical flowers bloom for you, like my heart was meant to do. With every sunrise, every night, your love makes my world shine bright. Oh girl, you are my garden of love. Walking with you along the shore, me find a love worth living for. The island breeze moves through the trees, bringing sweet memories with every breeze. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth much more. Your kindness is the treasure I keep, a love that runs forever deep. When the rain falls upon the land, me'll still be there holding your hand, because flowers grow after the rain, and true love grows through every pain. Tropical flowers bloom for you, a love so pure and always true. The moon above in ocean blue, know how much me care for you. Tropical flowers bloom for you, every day my love feels new, like a garden under island skies. Our love continues to rise. Oh Jah, a flower needs sunshine, our heart needs kindness, and my heart found its sunshine when it found you. Oh, oh Jah. Years may pass and seasons change, but our love will still remain, like a flower that continues to grow. Our love will keep its beautiful glow. We'll watch the sunsets hand in hand, making memories across the sand. Every chapter, every page will show the love we built with age. No storm can take this love away, because it grows stronger every day. From the first smile to forever true, my heart will always bloom for you. Tropical flowers bloom for you, forever underneath skies of blue. With just blessings shining above, we'll grow this garden full of love. Tropical flowers bloom for you, a dream that finally came true. The ocean stars and island breeze will always sing our melody. Oh yeah, forever growing seasons may change, but the love planted in the heart will always grow. Tropical flowers bloom for you. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, feel the island breeze, hear the ocean calling. Some places are beautiful, some moments are unforgettable, but true paradise is where the heart finds love. We were searching through the world for a place to belong, walking alone while searching for my song. Then I found you beneath the island sun, and suddenly me knew my journey had begun. The palm trees dancing with the evening breeze, the waves moving gently across the seas, but nothing was brighter than your smile. You made every moment worthwhile. Me don't need a castle by the shore or treasures hidden behind a door, because the greatest blessing I ever knew was finding a paradise inside of you. Every sunrise brings a brand new day, every sunset takes my worries away. When you hold your hand so tight, everything in my world feels right. My heart belongs to paradise, where your love shines so bright, where the ocean meets the sky and our dreams begin to fly. My heart belongs to paradise, a place where love feels alive. With you beside me every day, I know I found my way. Oh girl, you are my island dream, my beautiful paradise. Oh, walking barefoot on the golden sand, feeling your fingers holding my hand. The reggae rhythm playing slow and sweet, moving together to the island beat. The moonlight shines across the sea, making a perfect memory. The stars above begin to glow, like they are blessing the love we know. Me don't need fame, me don't need gold, your loving heart is worth much more. Every laugh and every smile makes this life a beautiful mile. My heart belongs to paradise, where love and happiness survive. Underneath the tropical sky, you and me will always shine. My heart belongs to paradise, a dream that finally came alive. The ocean waves will always say our love is here to stay. Oh Jah, paradise is not just a place, it's a feeling, it's the warmth of someone's love, it's the peace inside your heart. And me found mine when me found you. Years may pass like the ocean tide, but me'll still be right by your side. We'll watch the sunrise, we'll watch the rain, and cherish every joy and pain. The island may change, the seasons may turn, but this love will continue to burn. Every memory we create will remind us love was worth the wait. From the first hello to forevermore, you are the one the heart was searching for. No matter where this journey goes, your love is the place my spirit knows. My heart belongs to paradise, forever under island skies. My heart belongs to paradise. Yeah, man. The world has many beautiful places, but the heart only needs one. One love, one dream, one paradise. And mine is you. My heart belongs to paradise. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the night is calm, the stars are shining, the ocean is moving slow. Listen to the waves, feel the rhythm. Tonight the moon is dancing on the Caribbean Sea. Me remember the night when I found your love, under the stars shining bright above. The island breeze was soft and sweet when your heart and mine finally meet. The moonlight painted the ocean blue, making every moment feel brand new. Your eyes were glowing like the stars, like a dream that traveled from afar. Me held your hand along the shore, feeling a love I never felt before. The waves were singing a melody, a beautiful song for you and me. Yeah. Every sparkle upon the sea feels like a blessing sent to me. Every whisper from the night reminds me everything is right. Moonlight dancing on the Caribbean Sea, showing a love between you and me. Under the stars, beneath the sky, we found a love that will never die. Moonlight dancing on the Caribbean Sea, a beautiful dream where we are free. With your hand holding on to mine, our hearts move together in perfect time. Oh girl, stay with me tonight under the Caribbean moonlight. Trees sway with the ocean breeze, bringing peace and harmony. The reggae rhythm plays so slow, like the love that continues to grow. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth much more. Every smile and every kiss feels like a moment of pure bliss. When the morning comes and the night is gone, my love for you will still carry on, like the ocean waves that never stop. My love for you will reach the top. Yeah, yeah. Moonlight dancing on the Caribbean Sea, a forever memory for you and me. The stars above will always know how deep this love continues to grow. Moonlight dancing on the Caribbean Sea, a love as endless as it can be. Through every season, through every tide, I'll keep you forever by my side. Oh, Jah. Some nights become memories, some moments become forever. And tonight, with you beside me, the whole world feels like paradise. Yeah. Years may pass like the waves on shore, but me will love you more and more. We'll watch the moon rise in the sky, still seeing love within each other's eyes. We'll laugh about the days we shared, the little moments showing we care. Every sunset, every moonlit night will remind us our love was right. No distance can break what we have made, no storm can make this love fade, because what Jah brought together true will always lead me back to you. Moonlight dancing on the Caribbean keeps shining, and my heart keeps singing. One love, one rhythm, one beautiful night. Moonlight dancing on the Caribbean Sea. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, close your eyes and feel the breeze. The ocean is calling, the stars are shining. Some dreams disappear when the morning comes, but some dreams stay forever. And my dream is loving you. Me remember the night beneath the island sky, when I saw forever shining in your eyes. The moon was glowing over the sea, and Jah was bringing you closer to me. The palm trees move with the gentle wind, like a beautiful story about to begin. Your smile was brighter than the morning sun, and me knew my search was finally done. Me don't need riches, me don't need fame. All me need is you calling my name. Your love is the treasure me always knew, a paradise made only for two. Every sunrise, every night, your love makes my world feel right. Every wave that reaches the shore makes me love you even more. Forever loving you in island dreams, where the ocean flows and the sunlight gleams. Holding you close beneath the sky, watching our love continue to rise. Forever loving you in island dreams, a beautiful place where happiness dreams. Through every season, through every day, my heart will never walk away. Oh girl, forever you and me, living in our island dreams. Living in our island dreams. Walking barefoot along the sand, feeling your fingers inside my hand. The reggae rhythm softly plays, creating memories that never fade. The sunset paints the sky with gold, while your loving heart makes me whole. The stars above begin to shine, like they know your heart belongs with mine. When storms come and the waters rise, I'll still see love inside your eyes. No distance, no time, no changing tide can take your love from my side. Forever loving you in island dreams, where everything feels pure and serene. The ocean whispers our love song true, every wave reminds me of you. Forever loving you in island dreams, more beautiful than it ever seems. With Jah's blessing shining above, we spend our days surrounded by love. Oh Jah, some dreams are created in the heart. Some love stories are written by destiny, and this one was written for you and me. Years may pass and the seasons change, but true love will still remain. We'll watch the sunrise hand in hand, leaving footprints across the sand. We'll laugh about the memories we made, the promises kept, the love we saved. From the first